for upset. So in the grand scheme of things, it is actually still a win for Fnatic, especially to keep this threat up. So Movistar Koi have to be a little bit careful how they opt into these fights from now on, as they won't have that luxury anymore.
Just a side note as well, CS difference between Mirwin and Oscar Rinham right now.
Thank you.
A sizable amount, as you already talked about before, Dag. It was a sacrifice at level that came from
Lovely.
Super, so that Mirwin would have a little bit more.
I'll wait for that.
He's suffering in the bot side. CS difference isn't that big, as he just heals up some health. Remember, that's no longer a mana shield that gives return. Quick side note, where you guys were also talking about Karma. Every time you land an ability, 4 seconds off that ulti as well. So if you land that Q, your ulti just goes down further and further until
Where's
it's
the belt,
spammable
coach?
and becomes even more annoying for Alvaro, as you just saw there.
Yeah, Jojo will start to lean
What
from
do you mean,
this
where's
top
the belt?
side.
What belt?
Sorry, from this mid lane though. He set up a ward just the back of the red here,
It's a
and
very
this is
chill
basically going to
early
be his
game.
access to the bottom side to look for that potential realm warp when he hits the level 6. Maybe a trade for Void Grubs if they want to try and go for it, but Oyoya is still threatening. Excuse me, sorry, onto this top side means that they will probably look for a bit more pressure there rather
Silver
than
E
the
doesn't
side.
give mana, no, it heals now.
Looking at Mickey moving into the
Upset
river.
still needs to base. He has a BF base, which is quite nice.
Alvaro might be caught over the wall. Flash burnt immediately, because on the top of that Soul Flare, the second proc would have hurt Alvaro, and Upset was rearing to go.
So they got one grub,
Nice play
but
there from
Elyoya is going to get
Fnatic's
the
bot
other
lane
2.
duo. Alvaro ticking over to level 5, helping him out a decent amount as well. Of course, with no things
they
like
take 4
Ignite,
games to fix Skarner,
the kill threat is
because it
lower,
was
but
banned. Q
overall,
could
single
stun
grub
here.
was
Stun in
secured
3,
by Razork.
2,
He's looking for a play.
1.
Drift King running into the turret. Does he care? He has no
Nice
ulti to
flash
bring back,
by
but
Jojo.
Scowling was there.
Oh.
The flash from Jojo